Hello viewers, for DIYers here with another tutorial video for everyone. In this particular video here, I'll be showing you how to replace the hood struts on a 3rd generation Dodge Ram. This is a 2006 model, and a similar procedure may also apply to other generations as well. Your truck will take two, one on each side. Bad hood struts will no longer support the hood, and this is especially noticeable when it's cold. Here I have two new replacements. Typically these do have grease applied inside the ball socket for a smoother operation. There wasn't much grease to begin with in these, so I applied a little more. This can be done without a helping hand, either by holding the hood up yourself or using something to prop it up. Make sure all your tools and the new struts are within reaching distance. First, remove the old strut. If there is already an issue with the hood staying up, it'll be worse once one strut is disconnected. Using a standard screwdriver or a pry tool, disconnect the clips by pulling them out. Make sure they don't snap into place again. Do the same for the opposite side too. It doesn't matter which end you start with first. This may pop out easy, or you will need a little force. Depends on how well those clips are disconnected. Disconnect the one side and make sure you don't let go of that hood. And finally remove the strut. Clean off the old grease or remove any dirt using a clean rag. A small amount of solvent can also be used. Install the new struts in the same orientation. There's no need to pop out the clips as they can be snapped into place. Ensure it is clipped into place on both ends. Moving on to the opposite side, a closer view of disconnecting that clip. Sometimes you can push out those clips, however you can risk slipping with a tool and damaging the surrounding components. Pop out the clip on the opposite side now. And finally remove the strut. Clean up the pivot points with the rag. And now snap in the new replacement strut. Once done, you now have functioning hood struts, and the hood is properly supported. New videos are released every week on my channel. Be sure to hit that thumbs up button. It's a huge help to me, and leave a comment below if you found this tutorial helpful. Don't forget to follow my social media pages such as Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter to keep up to date with my latest projects. And if you're not a subscriber, be sure to also hit that subscribe button. Thank you for watching.